Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 604 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Beauty Reflection Diamond Mascara. So this is a sparkly clear mascara that I got from Shop Miss A, and that's something that I like to do with $1 makeup products, is just get fun and different types of products. And today I just feel like this is a fun product to play around with. This claims to be a unicorn mascara, which definitely catches my attention. But since I got this from Shop Miss A, it's $1, it's cruelty free. And so let's check this out. This reminds me of the type of product that I would have loved when I was a kid. And I'm pretty sure I did have some sparkly mascaras when I was younger, but I still want to wear sparkly mascara now. So it does have a pretty small, thin wand, and it has these pretty big glitter particles, like kind of lines. They're like tiny little line sparkles. So I already put on my mascara, so I'm gonna try this as a lash topper to start. Oh, there we go. Because I feel like adding a little sparkle to the lashes would be such a fun touch for like a party. Unfortunately, it's not showing up very much on the lashes. It's giving like the slightest little touch, but it's kind of making my lashes clump together, and I don't like that effect. So I don't love what it's doing to my lashes. My lashes were nicely separated with a really great mascara, and now they're all clumped together and barely sparkly. Like there's a little bit of sparkle on there, but it's not a very good mascara formula. But this also claims to be a sparkly brow gel. I've never really thought about having sparkly brows, but why not try now? Unfortunately, there's not enough sparkle in here. Like I'm trying to brush it through the brows, and there's only like a few sparse sparkles. But I'm kind of digging this glittery brow look. I like this so much more than I thought I would. But it's festive and different. Yeah, you really cannot knock a makeup trend until you try it. I am loving this. Let me see if I can, you can kind of see that on camera, right? Sparkle in the brows, but I think that since this wand is not great for lashes, I kind of like it on the brows, but I'll probably use this, honestly, as a body glitter. I might use, I can blend it in like I just did. See, now you can see that sparkle. And that's fun and festive. It looks like sparkle confetti is how I would describe it. So I would probably just apply this, like blend it out with my finger, apply it maybe with a Q-tip or something. I'm getting New Year's Eve vibes from this glitter because it's got that kind of iridescent sparkle, but it looks like confetti. So I'm definitely going to wear this all over probably on New Year's Eve. So I'm glad I only spent $1 on this, but it's fun, you know? I found a new makeup trend that I'm a fan of, which is sparkly eyebrows. Who would have thought, but I hope this becomes a big trend. I would love to know in the comments down below if you have ever worn a sparkly eyebrow, and if you haven't, I recommend you try it out because you might be pleasantly surprised by how it looks. My goal of this video and trying out this product was just to have fun with it, and I really did have fun with it. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this video today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.